In this video, I'm going to take you through some exercises that are going to help you learn some of skating's most difficult turns on the floor. Now, the exercises in this video can be found on our Instagram page, but here I've put them together and I've broken them down in a little more detail for people to give them that bit extra help with them. In this video, we are practicing a backward outside 3 turn on the floor on the cute spinner. For this example, it is a backward outside 3 turn. I skate onto it here, rotate the body, turn and check. Now, something that is going to help you with this one is making sure that you bend before the turn, rise up to turn, bend back down again after the turn. Otherwise, it's going to look really static like that. So this makes it go bend, rotate, bend, like that. And you want to make sure that you have a good rotation here. This would be my body rotating with the back to the circle I'd be going around on the ice. And from here I turn and check, and I stay, and I hold that position. And that is the basic backward outside 3 turn. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your spinner to practice your double inside 3 turns. So the first thing we need to practice for them is a basic bend, rise up, turn. Change the body over, bend, rise up, turn. Making sure that after each turn you check. Change your body over and check. When we want to take it to the next level, we think about using our free leg. So the free leg at the back will circle around here to backwards. It'll come in and point forwards as we do the double 3 turn. So it looks like this: circle, bend in, extend in front. So as you're doing this, all the time you're thinking of check, circle, check. Now when you get used to doing that and you want to take it to the biggest level of all, you add an arm movement into it, which means I start here and I circle the arms down as the free leg comes in, lift it up and then open it back out at the end. In this video, we're going to work a double outside 3 turn on the floor. So the first step of the double outside 3 turn on the floor is practicing this: standing on one leg, rotating the body, turning the foot, rotating the body, turning the foot. That is it in its simplest form, and that is the first step you need to practice, making sure you get a lot of rotation of the body. So when you've got used to doing it like that, you need to do it with the free leg straight the entire time. That is the most difficult way of doing it. So we do leg straight, rotate, check, rotate, check. Few things that are going to help you with that. First off, you rotate your body a little bit ahead of your lower body, but then you quickly snap it back to check. Free leg does not stay back the entire time, as it's quite difficult to do it like this. The free leg goes here, back, rotate, quarter circle, flick them back. So actually the pattern of it goes here and turn, check, change the leg, check. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the cute spinner in order to practice our check position on our forward outside rocker. If you can do it on this spinner, you can do it on the ice. Forward outside rocker has 2 positions, position 1 and we turn position 2. It is a very hard one to check and bring back on the circle, so this is the exercise we're going to practice. We're going to turn in the position 1 here, and then as we're turning, we pull back and check. And the goal is to try and stop the spinner from turning. If you can stop this spinner from turning as you do it, you can control and do the rocker on the ice. Now, if these quick tip videos are helpful for you, you should check out our Zoom lessons, because we cover all different aspects of skating just like this. In this video, we're going to use the cute spinner to practice a forward inside rocker on the floor. This is how we do it. Forward inside rocker comes in like a 3 turn, but instead of going to the outside edge, we go to the inside edge and bring it back on the other circle. So the pattern looks like this. We go around one way, we turn and we come around the other way while staying on one leg. So with the spinner, we're going to stand on it like this. We're going to practice holding this inside edge position, body facing the center of the first circle. And as I turn, I'm going to turn to backwards and extend my leg in front and rotate my body as much as possible to turn away from the circle I would have been on in the first position. Point that's going to help you: open the shoulder, look back that way, free leg, extend it in front. You can put it many different places, but if you put it in front and you try and push it round this way on the exit of your rocker, you will find that it is easier to do. In this video, I'm going to quickly demonstrate how you can do a swing Choctaw on the floor. Because this is a Choctaw, we change the direction, we change the edge, and we change the circle. So we go around one circle like this, change to another circle for the exit. So what we do, get ready, we're going to step, swing the leg forwards like this. This is our outside edge. We're going to leave the weight here, and we're going to sneak the foot around the back and turn to backwards like so. And normally we will keep looking the way we're going. So the feet basically go from here, around the back, and turn like this. Now, this is quite a nice one to do because on the ice it's easier not to change edge because you can push straight from your outside edge to the inside edge. Whereas if you do, say, a blues Choctaw, you're on the inside edge and you have to push, you have to roll it to the outside edge to do. We imagine we're skating this way in and we're going to come out that way. So I'm going to step, I'm going to have my right arm front, left arm behind, step onto that first step here, circle the legs through and extend and hold this position. And then I'm going to step wide, and as I step wide, I open my foot as much as I can, step wide onto the foot, transfer my weight, bend, transfer back. Step, circle, step, bend, step, bend. From another angle here, step, circle, and bend, bend. Make sure as you practice this, you really think about opening your feet as much as possible. If you can do a fifth position in ballet like this, very comfortably, even better, because that's basically what you've got to be able to do in order to step and hit a really good Choctaw without changing edge and without falling over. So I hope you enjoyed this video showing all these different exercises that we can do on the floor to help improve our skating. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of it. If you want to see more videos like this one, check out our Patreon page. We've got loads more content by there and we'll be able to help take your skating to the next level.